Over the past several years, Canadians experienced the pandemic in many different ways. Many families lost loved ones to COVID-19. Many frontline healthcare workers and first responders carried an enormous burden, and I want to once again thank them all for all the work they continue to do every single day. There are also Canadians who suffered serious adverse events following vaccination and who feel their stories have not been adequately heard. Regardless of where someone stands in the broader debate, every Canadian deserves to be treated with dignity, respect, and compassion. When people come forward with their concerns about their health, our first response should never be dismissal, it should be listening. The individuals sharing their experiences through the Allison Inquiry are not statistics. They are mothers, fathers, sons, daughters, friends, and neighbors. Their experiences deserve to be documented, examined, and understood. Good public policy depends on public trust. Trust is strengthened when governments and institutions are willing to ask difficult questions, follow the evidence wherever it leads, and acknowledge when people have been harmed. My position remains simple. Compassion for those who suffered from COVID-19, compassion for those who were injured following vaccination, and a commitment to transparency, accountability, ensuring people have the opportunity to tell their stories. Canadians should never be afraid to speak, and governments should never be afraid to listen. Since announcing the Allison Inquiry just over a month ago, the response has been overwhelming. Hundreds of Canadians from across the country have reached out to share their experiences. Many have spoken about their physical, emotional, financial, and personal challenges they continue to face today. Not everyone is comfortable testifying publicly, and we completely understand that. But we still want to hear your story, because every story matters, whether it's shared publicly or privately. We've also heard from members of Parliament from different parts of the country who have been contacted by constituents looking for answers and looking to be heard. That is why emails have now been sent to every member of Parliament, inviting them to engage with this process, informing them of the opportunity for their constituents to participate.